Forgo. To choose not to have something. He decided to forego the trip. She had to forego her favorite meal. Fret. To worry too much. She tends to fret over small things. He fretted about the results all night. Fiasco. A complete failure. The event turned into a fiasco. His plan ended in a fiasco. Decry. To strongly criticize something. Many people decry unfair laws. He decried the poor treatment of workers. Culpable. Responsible for doing something wrong. He was found culpable for the mistake. She felt culpable after breaking the rule. Misdemeanor. A small crime. He was charged with a misdemeanor. The offense was treated as a minor misdemeanor. Interim. Temporary time between two events. She worked as an interim manager. The interim period lasted for a few months. Deterrence. Something that stops bad actions. Strict rules act as deterrence against crime. The fine was used as a deterrence. Robust. Strong and healthy. He has a robust body and good health. The system is strong and robust. Mascot. A person or thing that brings good luck. The team chose a lion as their mascot. The mascot made the crowd excited. Vested. Given as a right or ownership. He has a vested interest in the project. The power is vested in the leader. Ruse. A trick used to deceive. He used a ruse to escape the situation. The plan was just a clever ruse. Contrite. Feeling sorry for doing something wrong. He looked contrite after his mistake. He gave a contrite apology. Fissure. A crack or break. There was a fissure in the wall. The earthquake caused a deep fissure. Brigand. A robber or criminal. The brigand robbed travelers on the road. People feared the local brigands. Incessant. Continuing without stopping. The incessant noise made it hard to sleep. He faced incessant questions all day. Erudition. Deep knowledge from study. His erudition impressed the audience. She is known for her great erudition. Fatuous. Silly or foolish. His fatuous joke made no one laugh. She ignored his fatuous comments. Woes. Problems or troubles. He shared his financial woes. She tried to forget her daily woes. Spur. To encourage or push someone to act. His success will spur others to try harder. The teacher's words spurred him to improve. Reformist. A person who wants to make changes for improvement. He is known as a reformist leader. The reformist worked to change old systems. Avarice. Strong desire for money or wealth. His avarice made him care only about money. Avarice can lead people to make bad choices. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.